Hi guys, welcome to my channel Organize and Live with Me. Let's start with my room tour. This is the entrance. I have a pink rug just outside my door. Once we enter to the room, I have my bath mat, my runner, my bed and window. Most of the things in my room are pink, brown or green. This bedding set is from Home Center. These brown curtains are from a local store. And this is a pink color heart-shaped net curtain. This is one of my favorite corner in the room, just behind my bed. This pink hanging flower are my favorite. This is from a local store. The sleeve love pot is DIYed by me. A dream catcher, few cushions on the bed. This is how the entire bed look. This pink lip cushion is from Amazon again, and this pink and orange cushion is from DMart. I love this dream catcher. This is my attached washroom. I have a small table here. This is how the table looks. This is again a DIY corner. I have already shared a video regarding this. Link is pasted in the description box. This is a cute small basket in which I store my regular use towels. This is a sanitizer, my lip balm, few clutches, and this small cute box in which I store my earphones. This section I have my oil burner set from Home Center, which I use as and when required. Just behind this I store few of my diaries. I have my JBL speakers over here. I have a cute small box in which I store my jewelry. Currently I am storing my rings in it. I have a cute small minion and a gummy bear here. This gummy bear was gifted by one of my friends. Here I store few of my stationeries, my writing pad and few colorful sellotapes. I have a pink stool here and a cushion. When I want to read and write, I sit on this stool and use the table. This cushion is again from Home Center. I have my cupboards here. I'll do my cupboard tour as early as possible. I'm in love with this pink curtain. This I ordered from Amazon. Look at these hearts. So this is how my entire room looks. Let me know in the comment section below if you like this room.